Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. 70 deputy superintendents of police probationers from Assam and Mizoram passes out from the Northeast Police Academy in Meghalaya. Assam government extends full support and cooperation to Meghalaya in resolving the remaining 6 areas of dispute along the interstate boundaries. Barnihat alarming air quality, a shared responsibility of Assam and Meghalaya, says Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Meghalaya's dream mission helps reduce drug addiction by 20%. State seeks Kerala experts for de-addiction efforts. The news in detail. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today felicitated 70 deputy superintendents of police probationers from Assam and Mizoram at the Northeast Police Academy, Nepa in Umsao village. The batch, consisting of 62 officers from Assam and 8 from Mizoram, including 20 women and 50 men. Chief Minister Sarma emphasized the importance of police work in maintaining public trust and communal harmony. He urged the new officers to work with empathy, ensuring the safety of citizens, especially women, children and senior citizens.
I believe their induction in the police force in both Assam and Mizoram will strengthen the force further, and I hope that they will serve with the commitment and with the honesty for the state and for the nation.
The Assam government has reaffirmed its commitment to resolve the interstate boundary dispute in the remaining 6 areas in the second phase. Speaking to reporters, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that out of the 6 pending areas of dispute, while 3 areas can be resolved at any time, Meghalaya wants to resolve all the 6 together, and both the governments are working on it. He also refused to give out any time frame, stating that the boundary dispute solving process involves sentiments of the people, and hence, while it is important to resolve it sooner than later, it is not appropriate to set a time frame.
This involves people's sentiment of both the states. So the time frame is not good, but at the same time we should hope and pray that it will be resolved sooner than later.
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Friday pitched for a collaborative and sustained crackdown on drugs by all states, highlighting how the modus operandi of drug traffickers involves innovative and technological approach. He said if all the state government keeps on collectively doing what it is doing to fight the menace, the war will be won. He also cited how drug menace is not confined to few states and has become a worldwide concern. He also clarified the notion that the kingpins are not arrested by stating that most of the kingpin operates from across the international border and only uses agents to traffic drugs.
Discussing how to stop drugs cartel, drugs menace. Yesterday, if you hear the Senate hearing, it was a central theme. So all is fighting. It is not that Assam and Meghalaya is fighting. All is fighting against the drugs traffickers. And it's a big business. And there will be many hidden actors in it. So it is a big thing. And it is not just like that you went to a place, you read it and you finish this off. This is a long battle and you have to carry on this battle.
The Assam counterpart on Friday extended its full support to Meghalaya to ensure that the air pollution levels in Barnihat comes down. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that the problem is a shared responsibility as Barnihat belongs to both the state, and further assured all cooperation from Assam in this regard. Recently, the air pollution indexes of various agencies had portrayed the air quality of Barnihat in grim light, evoking concerns and also criticism from various quarters.
Spoken to me, Barnihat, as you know, belongs to both Assam and Meghalaya. Obviously, we have shared responsibility, and I'll work with the government of Meghalaya to see that the pollution levels comes down.
Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, emphasized job creation and economic growth at the Kindness Summit 25 in Tura on Friday. He highlighted the government's commitment to achieving an 86,000 crore rupees economy, stressing that growth must lead to employment opportunities for the youth. Announcing increased funding for the Spark program, he reaffirmed its role in transforming mindsets and fostering innovation, particularly in rural areas. India is a young nation and Meghalaya is even younger. That's why our main focus is the youth. He stated the event featured the launch of the Spark Anthem, student testimonials and a panel discussion on strengthening Spark's core values. Tablets were distributed to selected students, marking another step in the program's expansion.
Mrs. Chair, for music, sports, football, Meghalaya should become a powerhouse when it comes to areas of sports, when it comes to areas of music. We have the talent, but it is our responsibility to nurture that talent and give the opportunity to our youngsters to be able to showcase that talent that they have. And that's really what drives me, drives our team, and that's what we are trying to do out here. And Spark, as I said, is to ensure that all of you.
Meghalaya's Power Minister A.T. Mondal assured consumers on Thursday that their concerns regarding inflated electricity bills would be addressed. He explained that higher bills resulted from previous underbilling issues, with discrepancies becoming apparent when new meter readers took over. The government has urged residents to formally register complaints to resolve the matter efficiently.
Concerned, billing is high because of previous underbilling, and the excess billing remain in the meter itself. So when a new meter reader or somebody have gone, that has been rebuilt. There are cases like that also, but we will request all the esteemed consumer, if there is such cases, please bring to the notice of the respective AEE of revenue section.
Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh announced on Thursday that the Meghalaya's Dream Mission has reduced drug addiction by 20%. However, he highlighted the shortage of trained medical professionals in de-addiction and efforts to recruit experts from Kerala.
Indications are that it is as good as 20%, slightly higher than 20. See, by the end of the 5 years of this current DREAM project, if the rate of addiction goes down by 20% per year, it would be a huge achievement.
Meghalaya's Animal Husbandry Minister A.L. Hegg announced the formation of a task force to tackle issues related to the entry of poultry from infected states following concerns raised by the Meghalaya Poultry Farmers Welfare Association. A recent detection involved poultry from Haryana and Punjab, raising fears of bird flu spread.
No, now only that suggestion has come. The suggestion has come that is good to constitute the task force. The government only will constitute, the veterinary department will constitute, but they also requested to be co-opted, the one member to be co-opted from the Farmer Association. I said we are welcome, we'll co-opted them also to get more suggestion, to get more, whatever the problem that they are facing, they can be bring to the task force only.
A training program for medical officers in addiction medicine was held in Shillong, organized by the Social Welfare Department. Minister Paul Lyngdoh assured government support for the DREAM project, urging collaboration from traditional institutions. Dr. Sandy's aim emphasized addiction as a mental illness, advocating a compassionate approach to treatment.
So it is absolutely important that doctors should learn how to handle addiction. doctors anywhere are leaders in society. When they say something, people believe them. And if doctors learn, as you said, as you heard today, that the success of the program was such that those people who came for the training now understand that addiction or an addict is just like you and me.
The Dorbar Shnong of Umroi Nongra, in collaboration with the Seng Samla and Seng Longme, organized a public rally in Umroi to stage a protest against the recent attack on a woman near Umroi Airport. The rally saw participation from school children, local residents and village leaders. On March 19, a woman was attacked with a sharp weapon near Umroi Airport. The assailant, Kirshan Lang Marngar, was arrested by the police. PMFME scheme Mahotsav was organized on Friday for the local food processing and entrepreneurs at Police Parade Ground, Tura. The Mahotsav witnessed good participation of entrepreneurs and local buying the products. Many varieties, spices, pickles and local food were available. The Government of India launched the PMFME scheme 2025 to organize the food sector of India and help them grow significantly without facing big problems in India. The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 21 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 38 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 28%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 14.5 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 26.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 91%. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature is 17 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 46%. And the forecast in Tura, Juai and Shillong say that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. 70 deputy superintendents of police, probationers from Assam and Mizoram passes out from the Northeast Police Academy in Meghalaya. Assam government extends full support and cooperation to Meghalaya in resolving the remaining 6 areas of dispute along the interstate boundary. Bernihat alarming air quality a shared responsibility of Assam and Meghalaya, says Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. And Meghalaya's Dream Mission helps reduce drug addiction by 20%. State seeks Kerala experts for de-addiction efforts. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.